What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button already. 96% of you guys aren't subscribed, so stop what you're doing. Go hit that subscribe button right now. Make my day. I'll thank you later. But today, we're going to be doing the most important modification you can do to your Ram 1500 TRX during the month of December. This is way more important than throwing on aftermarket wheels or a leveling kit or exhaust or the tire carrier or the spray and bed liner or window tint. This one takes the cake. And what I'm referring to is turning your truck or your car into a goddamn reindeer. So that's what we're doing today, guys. TRX is becoming a reindeer. Let's get it. Step number 1, acquire vehicle. We're good. Step number 2, acquire reindeer kit. You can get this at Party City, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS. They're like 20 bucks. That's step number 2. Step number 3, we want to roll down our windows like so we can install the antlers. So let's see, that's on that side. This one goes on this side. Back, definitely easier with 2 hands. Just like that. Come inside, roll up the window. Antler 1 is done. Repeat the step on the opposite side. Boom! Antlers are installed. So now your truck is a reindeer. Now you gotta decide, is it a Rudolph or not? So we're gonna install this bad boy right there. Got some little cords at the back. Just loop it through there, install it, and you're good to go. Guys, just like that, you have turned your truck into Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Now, I know what some of you are gonna ask me. Will, does this void my factory warranty? And that's a very simple answer. It's yes, this will void it. This thing adds about 1,000 wheel horsepower to your vehicle, so it's gonna be voided. So, you know, mod at your own risk, everyone. You know, with great power comes great responsibility. So if you want all this power, you gotta be responsible about it, guys. Now, everybody, I know that was a super extensive install. So if you really appreciate my hard work, guys, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, make my holiday wishes come true by getting me 200 million subscribers. And guys, I will see you in the next one.